Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, we have already done exercise 2.1 and 2.2 from chapter number 2. Name is Simultaneous Equations and Quadratics. Today we are going to start exercise 2.3, and the concept of exercise 2.3 is graph of y is equals to fx modulus, or you can say absolute function of fx, where fx is quadratic. Student, in previous exercises we have already learned how to draw the graph of y is equals to fx, where fx is linear. But in this case, fx, or you can say the given function, is quadratic. What is quadratic function? If the highest power of the variable is square, then the function is called quadratic. For example, if you have ax plus b, then the function is linear because the highest power of x is 1. But if the function have highest power square, then it is called a quadratic function. For example, you can see this function y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic function. Why? Because the highest power of the variable is x, the highest power is 2. Therefore, this function is a quadratic function. So today we are going to learn how to sketch the graph of quadratic function in the modulus. Modulus means the graph of the given function is always above the x-axis, not below the x-axis. But here we are starting all the steps of quadratic function, where quadratic function in the modulus, in the sign of modulus. So to sketch the graph, you can read with me. To sketch the graph of the modulus function y is equals to absolute ax square plus bx plus c, you must 2 points. Number one, first sketch the graph of y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to sketch the graph of the given function, then reflect in the x-axis the part of the curve y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, that is below the x-axis. Now first we have to see work example 5, then we will start exercise 2.3. See work example 5. Sketch the graph of y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Answer. First, sketch the graph of y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3, means without absolute function. When x is 0, then y is minus 3. So the y-intercept is minus 3. When y is 0, then we will have a quadratic equation, x square minus 2x minus 3. Factorize this equation, x plus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1, or x is equals to 3. Now we have x-intercept minus 1 and 3. So now we have intercept, that is y is equals to minus 3, and intercept, that is x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 3. Now we have to find the x coordinate of the minimum point. How to find the x coordinate of the minimum point? Just add both x intercept minus 1 and 3, minus 1 plus 3, and divide by 2. So the answer is 1. This is the minimum point. The y coordinate of the minimum point is, just put this value of x1 in the given equation, y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. So we will get 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3, we will get minus 4. Hence the minimum point is 1 minus 4. This is the shortest way to find the minimum or maximum point. Now after this we have to draw the graph or sketch the graph of the curve. So we have x-intercept minus 1 and 3, we have y-intercept minus 3, and we have minimum point 1 minus 4. Now reflect in the x-axis the part of the curve y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3, that is below the x-axis. So just flip the point. This is 1 minus 4. The coordinate of minimum point is 1 minus 4 becomes the coordinate of maximum point, that is 1 plus 4. The red dotted line, now you can erase this red dotted line. So the final answer is the curve which is below, sorry, the blue line is your final answer. Now you can see a sketch of the function y is equals to x square plus 4x minus 12 is shown below. So this is the final answer of this question. Now we are going to start exercise 2.3 question number 1, and when we will do questions you will more understand. See this. Sketch the graph of each of the following functions. Part A, question number 1. So first we have to write part A. Part A is y is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now first we have to find the y-intercept. How to find y-intercept? We have to put x is equals to 0. This is first step. We have to do this in each and every part of question number 1. So y is equals to x square means 0 square minus 4 into x. X is 0 plus 3. So y is equals to 0 square is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So 0 minus 0 plus 3 is 3. This is y-intercept. Okay. So first coordinate is, this is called axis coordinates, 0 comma 3. Now find x-intercept. How to find x-intercept? Just put y is 0 is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now solve this quadratic equation with the help of any method. I mean, you can apply the middle term break method or completing square method or quadratic formula. 3 ones are 3. I am applying middle term break method. So x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is equals to 0. This implies that taking x is common, x minus 3 minus 1 is common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 3, x minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1. Now you have two more points. When x is 3, then y is 0. When x is 1, then y is 0. So now you have three coordinates. First is 0, 3. Second is 3, 0. Third is 1, 0. Now we have to find the coordinates of maximum or minimum point. How? You can see one more time this. The x-intercept are minus 1 and 3. So in this case, you just have to put both the values of x and divided by 2. Here we are taking these two values, 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. Put this value of 2, you will get the coordinate of maximum or minimum point in the question. Y is equals to x square, 2 square, minus 4x, 4 into 2, plus 3. y is equals to 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3. So y is equals to 4 plus 3, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So the coordinate of maximum or minimum point when x is 2, then y is minus 1. This is the fourth point. Now, first we have to plot all these 4 points on our graph. So this horizontal line is our x-axis. This is x negative. This is y positive, and this is y negative. And the point where two axes are meet is called origin. We can take one square is 1, 1, 2, and 3. And on y-axis, we can also take 1 square is 1, 1, 2, 3, and below minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So first point is this one 0, 3. When x is 0, y is 3. This is the first point. The second one is 3, 0. This is second point 3, comma 0. The third point is 1, 0. This is 1, 0. And the coordinate of maximum or minimum point is 2 comma minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1. Now join all these points with the help of without the help of a scale. Okay, just use your hands to draw as smooth line as possible. I am using digital pen, so I am not able to draw a very good curve, but you can draw with the help of pencil. Now I am trying to draw as good as possible. This is not very good curve, but kindly keep in mind whenever you draw the curve, you can move your register. I am not able to move. Okay. Now, this is the graph of y is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. But we have to draw a graph of y is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3 absolute function. So how to draw the graph of absolute function? Just reflect the part of the curve which is below the x-axis. This point is 2 comma minus 1. So this should be this should be 2 comma 1. Okay, so this is 2, this is 1. So this should be our graph. Okay, so the below line is not our required line. Okay, so this is below the curve, below part of the curve. This is not required, so this is our graph. Why I draw this line? Just balance to left and right hand side, otherwise this line is not necessary. Okay, I hope you completely understand part A. Now move to part B. Part B is y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3 absolute function. Same steps. First, we have to take the question without absolute function. So y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. First, we have to find y-intercept by putting x is equals to 0. So y is equals to x square. 0 square is 0. 2 into 0 is 0 minus 3. 0 minus 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So first coordinate, axis of coordinate, when x is 0, y is minus 3. This is first point. Now put y is equals to 0 in the given equation. So 0 is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Apply the middle term break method. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 1, 2. X square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3. X is common. X minus 3 plus 1 is common. X minus 3. X minus 3. X plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that the value of x is 3 and value of x is minus 1. So when x is 3, y is 0. When x is minus 1, y is 0. So these are 2 points. Now we have 3 points. One is 0 minus 3, then 3 0, then minus 1 0. Now we have to find the coordinates of uh, minimum or maximum point. Just take both the values of x, that is 3, and the second one is minus 1, and should be divided by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 upon 2 is 1. So put this value of 1 in the given equation. Y is equals to x square 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3. 1 square is 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 minus 4. So coordinate of maximum or minimum point is 1 minus 4. Now plot all these points. Okay, so I am rubbing this curve. Okay, the maximum value of x is 3. So again we can take 1 square is 1. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. And this is minus 1. And the maximum value of y is 3. Sorry, the maximum value of y is 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We can extend this line, and this is minus 4. Now first point is 0 minus 3. When x is 0, then y is minus 3. This is first point. The second point is 3 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0. The third point is minus 1 comma 0. This is minus 1 comma 0. And the coordinate of maximum or minimum point is 1 and minus 4. This is 1 and this is minus 4. Join all these points to get the quadratic curve. Not a good curve, but you should keep in mind you have to draw with pencil. So this point 1 minus 4, because we have to draw the graph of absolute function, so this point 1 minus 4 should be 1 comma 4. Okay, so this is 4. 1 comma 4 means this point. Now join this point and this point and draw this line just for beauty. So this is the graph. So after drawing the whole graph, we should reflect the part of the curve which is below x-axis. Hope you understand. Now move to part C. This is part C. X square minus 5x plus 4 plus 4. Now we have to follow all previous steps. First put x is equals to 0 to get y-intercept. And you should keep in your mind that first we have to consider the given equation without absolute sign. So y is equals to 0 square minus 5 0 plus 4 plus 4. So 0 minus 0 plus 4 is plus 4. So y-intercept is plus 4. So when x is 0, then y is 4. Now put y is equals to 0 in the given equation without absolute sign. So 0 is equals to x square minus 5x plus 4. Factorize this equation if possible. 4 ones are 4, 4 and 1 5. So x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. So taking x is common, x minus 4 minus 1 is common, x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4, x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 4 and 1. Now when x is 4, then y is 0, and when x is 1, then y is 0. After this, we have to find the coordinate of maximum or minimum point. Just take both the values of x, add them and always divide by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 upon 2 is 2.5. Put this value of x 2.5 in the given equation without absolute value sign. So y is equals to 2.5 square minus 5 multiplied by 2.5 plus 4. Now you can take the help from the calculator to find the answer. Answer is minus 2.25. Minus 2.25. So this is the coordinate 2.5 and sorry 2.5 comma minus 2.25. Now you have 4 points and axis of coordinate, three axis of coordinates and the 4 point. Now it's a time to plot all these 4 points. This is your x-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So take 1 square is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is 0. And on y-axis take 1 square is 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Plot all the points. First point is 0, 4. This is 0, this is 4. The second one is 4, 0. This is 4, this is 0. The third one is 1, 0. This is 1, 0. And this one 2.5 and minus 2.25. So 2.5 is just between 2 and 3 and minus 2.5, if this one is minus 2, this one is minus 3, so this should be minus 2.5, and between minus 2 and minus 2.5 is minus 2.25. Now join all these 4 points. This one, and now reflect the part of the curve which is below the x-axis. So this point is 2.5 comma minus 2.25. This point becomes 2.5 comma positive 2.25. That's it, 2.25. So this is 2.5 and this is 2, this is 2.5 and this is 2.25. Join these points like this, draw a straight line like this. This is the graph of absolute valued function. Hope you understand part C. Now come to part D. Part D is y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. So I am not taking absolute function because this is the first step. Now put x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0 square is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 minus 8. So this is minus 8. So first point is when x is 0 then y is minus 8. Now we have to put y is 0. So y is 0 is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. Apply the middle term break method. 8 ones are 8 and 4 twos are 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. Taking x is common, minus 4. Taking 2 is common, minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4, x plus 2 is equals to 0. This implies that x is 4 and minus 2. So when x is 4, then y is 0. When x is minus 2, then y is 0. Now find the coordinate of minimum or maximum point. Just take both the values of x and always divide by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. Put this value of x is equals to 1 in the question. So y is equals to x square means 1 square minus 2 into x means 2 into 1 minus 8. So y is equals to 1 square 1, 2 1s are 2 minus 8 is equals to minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So our answer is x is 1, y is minus 9. This is the coordinate of maximum or minimum point. Now plot all these points on your graph or sketch. This is positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis, and this is origin. Take one square, 1 on x-axis. This is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Taking 2 square, 1 axis on y-axis. So this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 and minus 10. Okay, and this is 2, this is 4 and this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10. Plot all the points. First is 0 minus 8. So this is 0 and this is minus 8. The second one is 4 comma 0. So this is 4, this is 0. And second is third is minus 2 comma 0. So this one is minus 2 comma 0. And the minimum point is 1 comma minus 9. So this is 1 and this is minus 8 minus 10. So this should be 1 minus 9. So 1 comma minus 9. Now because we don't need the below part of the curve, so this time after practicing part A, part B, part C, I am not showing the graph which is below the x-axis. I will show the actual graph. So this 1 minus 9 should be 1 plus 9 because we need absolute valued function. This is 9. So I am joining all these points, only these points. So first we have to plot. Kindly wait. We have to join this minus 2 by this one and this 4 by this one. Not a very good graph, but you must keep in mind we have to draw the graph which is above the x-axis. So this time I didn't show the part of the curve which is below the x-axis. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand. Okay. Now move to part E. First put x is equals to 0. Same steps we will follow in each and every part. So y is equals to 2 into 0 squared, that is 0. 11 into 0, that is 0, minus 6 is equals to 0. So first point is when x is 0, then y is minus 6. Sorry, this is not 0. 0 minus 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Now we have to put y is equals to 0 in the given equation in order to find x-intercept. First try Middleton break method. 6 2s are 12 and 12 ones are 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. So factorization is possible. 2x square minus 12x plus 1x minus 6 is equals to 0. Taking 2x is common, so x minus 6 plus 1 is common. X minus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 6 to x plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x minus 6 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. From here, the value of x6 and 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 2x is equals to minus 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 upon 2, which is minus 0.5. So the other 2 points are when x is 6, then y is 0. When x is minus 0.5, then y is 0. Now we have to find the coordinate of minimum or maximum point. Just take both the values of x, that is 6 minus 0.5, and divide by 2. 6 minus 0.5 upon 2 is 2.75. Now put this value of x 2.75 in the given equation. Y is equals to 2x squared. So 2 into 2.75 square minus 11 into 2.75 minus 6. With the help of calculator, find the value of y. Answer is minus 21.125. So when x is 2.75, then y is minus 21.125, which is obviously minimum point. Now, first we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. This is our x-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is positive y. And this is negative y. And this one is origin. First point is 0 minus 6. So first we have to take the points. This one is 2. You can take 2, 4, 6 because we need the maximum value of x is 6. And this is minus 2. Now this one is, we have to go maximum 21. So I am taking this one is 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, and then 20. Now plot. First we have to plot 0 minus 6. This is 0, this is 4 and minus 4, and this one is minus 6. So this is 0 minus 6. The second one is 6 0. This is 6 0. The third one is minus 0.5 and 0. This is 0, this is minus 2, and this is minus 1, and this should be minus 0.5. And the last one is 2.75 minus 21.25. But because we need the part of the curve which is above the x-axis, so this point should be 2.75 and 21.125. So I am not showing the part of the curve which is below the x-axis, and this is not required. So I am showing 2.75 and 21.25. So this is 2, this is 2.5, and this is 20, this is 24, and this is 2.5, and we need 2.75. This is 20, obviously this is 21, and just smallest right side, this one, because we need 2.75, not 2.5. Now just join these points. This is not the cross, this is just a line. Now plot these points. This one, not a good graph, but the working is 100% correct. You can draw more good graph. Okay, so this is part E. So it is not necessary to show the part of the curve which is below the x-axis, because we need to draw a graph of absolute valued function. These two lines means absolute valued function. Now move to part F. Part F is y is equals to 3 x square plus 5x minus 2. So without absolute valued function, now first we have to put x is equals to 0. Then y is equals to 3 into 0 square is 0, plus 5 into 0 is 0, minus 2 is equals to minus 2. So first point is 0 and minus 2. Now we have to put y is 0. 0 is equals to 3 x square plus 5x minus 2. 2 3s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 1 5. So factorization is possible. 3x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x is common. X plus 2 minus 1 is common. X plus 2 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 and 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equals to 0. 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 upon 3, or you can write 0.3333 and so on. So just I took two decimal places because the graph is always shows the estimated value, not exact value. So when x is minus 2, then y is 0, and when x is 0.33, then y is 0. Now find the coordinate of maximum or minimum point. Just add both the values of x, minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 2. The answer is Answer is minus 8.3, 0.83, sorry, minus 0.83. So when x is minus 0.83, then y, we have to put the value of x in the given answer. Sorry, in the given question. 3x square minus 0.83 square plus 5 multiplied by minus 0.83 minus 2. With the help of calculator, we will find the answer of y. Final answer is minus 4.083, minus 4.083. So our coordinate of minimum point is 0.83 and minus 4.083. Okay, kindly check this with the help of calculator if there any mistake. I hope there is no mistake. Now plot all points. This is our x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this is negative y-axis, and this point is 0 where both the axes are cuts each other. Plot the points. This is 1 square, you can take 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 1, and 1, 2, 3. We can increase this first. I will rub because I need two more squares. This is 4 and this is 5. This is y-axis. Now first we have to plot 0 minus 2. So this point is 0 minus 2. The second one is minus 2 comma 0. This is minus 2 comma 0. The third one is 0.330. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0.5, between 0 and 1, and just before 0.5 you can take this point. So this is 0.33. Now we have to see this point. This is 0.83 minus 0.83 and minus 4.083. But students, we need a point which is just above the x-axis. So just convert this point minus 0.83 and convert this negative point into positive point. Minus 0.83 and 4.083. So where is minus 0.83? This is 0, this is minus 1. So just before minus 1, 0.83. And this is 0, this is 4.0. So just this one. So now plot these points. So this is the point. I hope you understand. And draw this line. This is just showing the beauty. Otherwise, these lines have no significance. But student, I want to check all values again in order to have no mistake. So our question is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. When x is 0, then y is minus 2. 100% correct. Now 0 is equals to 3x square plus 5x minus 2. 2 3 is a 6. 6 1 is 6. So 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is equals to 0. No mistake. Take 3x common. 3 cancel to 3x plus 2. 3 to the 6. No mistake. Minus 1 x plus 2. So x plus 2, 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. 3x 1 x is equals to 1 upon 3. 0.33. So minus 2 comma 0, 0.33 comma 0. No mistake. I am just checking, students. Now find the coordinate of maximum or minimum point. We just have to add both the values of x and divide by 2. No mistake. Minus 0.83, 100% correct. Now I am checking the value of y. All values are 100% correct. Now I am going to check plotting. First is 0 minus 2, no mistake. The second one is minus 2 comma 0, no mistake. 0.33 comma 0, no mistake. And minus 0.83 and 4.083, no mistake. And I am checking the answer in the book as well. 100% correct, no mistake. I was just checking because if I feel any doubt whether it is very small, I should check the answer from the book. This is very important. I don't say that because I am a teacher, so I don't need to check. No, this is not correct thing. Okay, students, so this is our today's class where we have done question number 1 of exercise 2.3 all parts. In next lecture, we will try to complete exercise 2.3, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7 questions. So I will try to complete all questions in next lecture. Students, if you like today's video and if you like my lectures, kindly do subscribe my channel and share my videos to as many fellows as you can. And don't restrict my videos. Kindly try to share many people so that all students can get equal benefits. Okay, students, good luck for next lecture.